Hey folks, this is Karina Daninger coming to you from Van Eck Road in Palm Bay, Florida. I am super excited to talk to you about this upcoming listing. As you know, we are very short on inventory, and this home is pretty brand new, only a handful of years old, and it is drop your bags, move-in ready. We just had a slight little summer shower, so it's starting to steam up. So we're gonna do the outside part rather quickly. I wanted to show you this adorable little decorative wrought iron fence that she's got right before her front door. I'm gonna take you outside for a second, and you will see the beautiful concrete stamped walkway and driveway. She's got a beautiful 2-car garage, nice roof, beautiful windows, very, very nice. Big flower beds in the front, so you can kind of do whatever you want. As I said, we just had a little quick summer shower. And so, you know what, I need to turn my volume off, so otherwise you all hear my phone dinging the whole time. All right, so back to business. Let's go through this gorgeous double front door. We're then greeted by this gorgeous large tile that runs throughout the house. Beautiful lighting. Okay, we're back. I don't know what happened, but I was having a little bit of an internet connection. So here we are. Okay, gorgeous lighting, beautiful entryway into the front door with architectural details. I'm gonna show you very pretty arches all the way around, nice lighting. There's that beautiful double door. I like that they did not take too much of the entryway for the foyer, just enough room to put a table and a mat, and then you get to use the full square footage. So many houses are wasted with too much at the front door and not enough living space. So you have a nice formal sitting room here. You could turn it into an office if all of a sudden you have to work from home. You have this gorgeous dining room, again with the arches, and just, it really flows so beautifully. Now as we come over here, we're gonna go through another double door. I love all the double doors around here, into the master suite. The master suite is so pretty. Look at the tray ceiling. It's absolutely gorgeous, beautiful lighting. If you need a fan, you could always swap that out. Okay, I'm back again. I was waiting to show you the master suite. I'm not sure what's going on. We had a rocket go up this morning, quick rain shower, nice big vanity on one side. You have a vanity on the other side. Nice big soak-in jacuzzi type tub under the window. Nice big walk-in shower. Freshly painted bathroom and walk-in closets on either side. Then we're going to, as you can see in the master, you also have a private walkout to the oversized, extra large screened-in porch. So we'll get out there in a minute. Let's look at this nice big open flowing kitchen. I love this concept, how they have the kitchen wide open into the family room. All these beautiful Okay, we're back. I don't know what's going on, so I'm going to zoom through this really fast. We have this nice, huge, beautiful kitchen, gorgeous lighting. So I don't know what's going on, but I'm going to tell you this. Look at this backyard. Look at this gorgeous tile all the way wrapped around your porch. It is ginormous. Lots and lots of great screens, privacy screening to help you with the sunlight during times of the day, ceiling fans, beautiful windows. And I have to tell you, this house is not going to stay on the market very long. I'm not sure why. I'm having internet connections today. I even have my hotspot on my phone. idea why we have such internet connection problems today. So here's the deal. I'm going to cut this short while I can still say my goodbyes. This house will be on the market tomorrow. Since I can't show it to you, you know what that means. You're going to have to show up here with your buyers. Don't walk, run. The inventory is low, and this